Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we Dockerize the Spring Boot app from the previous video. We start by opening Visual Studio Code. Go to Remote Window, Current Window to Host, My Home Lab, and we are connected to our Linux server. We go to Explorer, Open Folder, Spring Boot, OK. We are now in the code from our last video. You can find the video with the link in the upper right corner. We open Java project, look to the target directory, and see we don't have any YAR yet. Go to Maven, Spring Boot, open it, lifecycle, and a little bit up. We do package. Package will create the YAR. Run. You see in the terminal, create the YAR. It's finished. We can close Maven. You see now in the target folder we have Spring Boot 0.0.1 snapshot YAR. We can close the Java project and go to the Explorer. Click on the right button from the mouse and do new file. We call the file Dockerfile. Enter. We open the file and we copy the code. We create the image from Eclipse Tmurin 21 GDK. We copy the YAR from the target to springboot.yar and the entry point YAR, Java YAR, Spring Boot YAR. Control S to save it. Now we create a second file, the Docker Compose YAML file. New file, Docker Compose YAML, open it and copy the code. Paste it. It's a little bit so good. Voila. Services, Spring Boot, you can choose the name you want. Image, Spring Boot latest. You see that in a moment. Container name, Spring Boot. Ports, 8222. That's the port we're going to connect to our Docker with the browser. The port 8111 is internal in the Dockerfile to connect to the Spring Boot app. And restart unless stopped. Again, Control S to save it. We go again to Dockerfile, right click on it and build image. Spring Boot latest, that's okay. You see, we create the image. That's finished. Second thing we need to do, Docker Compose, compose up. See, it's already okay. Now we can open a browser window. Open Media Vault like before, but not port 8111, but port 8222. Enter, and we have My Home Lab. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. Support the channel and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you later and thank you very much.